Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister, Principal Advisor to the Chief Minister, Principal Secretary MSME, the Startup Odisha Secretariat, most importantly, the young startups who are here today to be part of this great event in the hands of our Honorable, beloved Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik. It's a great day for all of us. It's a day that history will remember for times to come. Sir, a startup's best example probably is the rainforest, and the best ecosystem where the flora and fauna come together in the spirit of creating innovation is the rainforest. Sir, Odisha is becoming the new rainforest. If we look around within miles of this great institution that we are here is the Technology Business Incubator at KIT campus. We have the NIT Rourkela doing stellar work in terms of startup incubation. Sir, we have a great AR/VR lab that has come up for startup incubation at IIT Bhubaneswar. We also have a startup incubator at the STPI, and not to leave aside a startup incubator that has just gone on stream at the Utkal University. Sir, if we look at the world of startups, the ultimate dream is to be a unicorn. And all of us know that India is the third largest unicorn producer in the entire world today. Number one being the United States, and number two being China. And India, at 79 unicorns today, has become a force to reckon with. The great news is of the 79 unicorns that India has produced, 4 have an Odisha connection, or 4 out of these 4, many were born on this very land. Oyo, all of us know, is a unicorn that was founded by an entrepreneur who's son of the soil. People do not know that there's another great unicorn called FarEye. FarEye was actually incubated within 1 kilometer of this very location where we are standing here today. And of course, the 2 other unicorns that are being talked about widely are Off Business, set up by Ashish Mahapatra, son of Katak, and Zitwork, which was started by Amrit Acharya, again, son of Bhubaneswar. So Odisha is making its voice heard in the world of unicorns. Now OHUB will bind this rainforest together. OHUB will bind all the incubators that I talked about and the various unicorns in the making. This will be the staging ground. So we are standing on sacred space, sir. Sir, 2 things that have been missing in Odisha today, which are critical requirements for startups to flourish, to become unicorns someday. One is the investor ecosystem. We have great ideas coming up. We have great companies coming up. But when it comes to the critical blood flow of large investments, then people look at NCR and people look at Mumbai and people look at Bengaluru. Now, this investor ecosystem was not possible to build up in a significant way because we didn't have a platform like this. The second thing, sir, this OHUB does is it brings what every startup was hungry for in the state, and that is social recognition. This has not been a society where startups have been celebrated. This has not been a society where it is okay to take risks. This has not been a society where parents will proudly say, oh, my child is starting a small business, a small startup in OHUB. But now that we have OHUB, all that will change. We'll get investor confidence, and we will have the social recognition which is critical for this rainforest to bloom. Sir, I must place on record my deep appreciation of the team members of IDCO who make such temples for the future happen. After Krishi Bhavan, the too large to ignore building was the World Skills Center, which was opened in the able hands of our beloved Chief Minister, and now within months of that, we have OHUB. Tireless work has gone behind these temples of tomorrow, and I would like to thank all members of the IDCO team here. Thank you very much. Bande Utkal Janani.